Hello, I'm David Chaston with 90 at 9, brought to you by interest.co.nz. This is where you get everything you need to know in 90 seconds at 9 o'clock, including news mainly about China today. China's industrial production is still growing at healthy rates, but they are declining and no longer supporting the government's target of 7% growth for the overall economy. Heavy industry is now a drag in China. China's retail sales growth is another marker there to show signs of increased slowing. Retail sales in the 2-month period to February were up only 10.7% compared to the same period a year ago, which is a very noticeable slowing in their terms. Capital formation is also showing similar signs of rapid slowing. Also in China, their quality control regulator said overnight it will increase scrutiny of milk powder imports from New Zealand following the 1080 blackmail threat. And also overnight, Bank of England boss Mark Carney said it would be extremely foolish for them to cut interest rates to try and combat low inflation, because that was temporary and caused mainly by a sharp fall in oil prices. US Treasury 10-year yields seem to have stabilised at 2.13%. Local wholesale rates fell about 3 basis points yesterday in a curve that is becoming increasingly flatter. And crude oil price are fairly stable overnight, but fell slightly in the US to $48 a barrel, while the Brent crude price is holding at $57 a barrel. US crude stocks continue to swell to record highs. Where to store the stuff is now a major problem. The gold price just keeps falling, down another $9 an ounce today to $1,148 an ounce. The New Zealand dollar starts today still falling against a resurgent US dollar and is now at 72.2 US cents, having actually fallen below 72 cents earlier in the morning. It is now at 95.2 Aussie cents and the TWI is down to 77.7. The exchange rate story is not really about the New Zealand dollar, it's more about the rising US dollar and the weakening euro. In fact, the next parity party won't be between the New Zealand and Aussie dollars, it's more likely to be between the US dollar and the euro. I'm David Chaston. That was 90 at 9, brought to you by interest.co.nz.